and welcome to the channel. So the video you just saw was from the storm last night. It was really bad. The caravan was shaking and my awning tried to fly away or something. And it was really raining and was cold. And my gas heater didn't work. So I had a really cold night. So today I put some insulation on the flooring to give me a little more heat, and I made the gas heater work. Okay, so I thought I was gonna change the gas regulator, but on the end of this there's a little valve that I tried to open first. It looked like it was air that was in the system and was blocking the gas. So when I let the air out, my gas heater started working, and now it's really warm in here. It's 23 degrees, so it's nice and cozy. So now I have insulated the flooring. I'm putting my carpet on. Hoping I can stay a little more warm. Going? Hello? What the fuck are you doing? You're supposed to follow me. Okay, keep track on me. Can you do that? Hey, did you? Look at that. Why do you keep moving the other way? Excuse me, what are you doing? Hello? Okay. Okay, if you stay there, can you follow me then, please? No, hi, Lucy. Hello, kitty. No, why do you keep doing that? Hello, little phone, where you going? Hey, stay. I have this. Try to buy this phone holder that was supposed to follow me, but I think it's living its own life. Hello. My little outside kitchen. With my pots and pans and my toaster, and this is my little gas stove.